This tutorial will show you how to calculate percent of total in R. To get started, we'll create a simple data frame with two columns. The first column will just be the colors red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and we'll create randomized numbers using the run if function. We'll do 100 of them between 1 and 99, right? And I forgot to mention that you will need one package that will be tidyverse. So go ahead and activate the library, and let's create the data frame. And you'll see here we have colors and some scores. All right, now to calculate the total, this is where the tidyverse package is going to come in, specifically the dplyr function. So we're going to create a new variable called percent of total. We're going to call that data frame that we just created df. We're going to group by color, which is going to be this column here. And the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to count just the total total rows, right? The total scores. And we can see if we just want to see that, we could actually run. Let me see if I could run that. You can see this is what it looks like. That count, you can see there's just 20 of each color. Let me remove that. We get the total score, right? Just the sum of the total score and the percent of score. This is what's going to be the percent of the total. I'll go ahead and run that. And you can see here we do have, so blue comes out to 16%, green 21%. If you keep on running this, you'll get different results based on just the randomization. All right, and to make it easier, if you want to copy the code, you could always go to analyticalhub.com where I'll have that code, and you could copy it and paste it into your script. Thank you for watching.